All right, what's good, traders? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new around here, please feel free to subscribe. Go on my IG, go on my TikTok, my Twitter, and follow all of the social medias. I'm going to be uploading on this channel daily. We're going to be growing this together, posting technical analysis, mindset, psychology, the reality of trading, no BS around here. Now, listen, today's video is about a topic that I briefly spoke about on my TikTok, but it's a topic that I feel very passionate about because I feel like a lot of newbie traders don't actually know this, and I see it way too often. And to be honest, a little bit of me is irritated by it. And that is green and red candlesticks. Look right here. I'm sure you guys noticed it immediately. I don't trade like this. I feel like anyone who is trading like this is an unserious trader, and I'm about to tell you why. Now, green and red are very, very emotional colors. Us as humans, we're very emotional creatures. We associate colors with certain emotions. Green is associated with go, like for example, at a traffic light, it goes red as in stop, and then amber as in get ready, and then green as in go. I'm sure you guys know this. Green is also associated with other emotions such as envy, associated with nature and whatnot, and some other emotions that aren't really too relevant. The one we're focusing on currently is the emotion of go, or the association that at traffic light, green means go. Red is associated with other negative emotions such as anger, fear, associated with blood, with danger, and once again, with the traffic light analogy, associated with stopping. Now, the reason that you don't want to be having these colors on your trading chart is because when you are actively trying to go against your natural emotions as a human, and bear in mind, trading is a very unnatural task for you to be performing because you have lots of natural instincts, lots of inclinations to do certain things that you don't necessarily want to be doing when you're handling money and you're trading. Because again, that's psychology 101. As I'm sure you guys know, trading is large majority of it is psychology and it's all mindset, and it's like 98% in your head. And you want to give yourself the best possible chance of handling your emotions and being a disciplined and good trader. Now, by default on TradingView, your colors will come in naturally as green and red. Now, I believe that the reason TradingView actually do this is number one, I feel like generically for people who don't actually know how to trade, they associate charts and whatnot with green and red candlesticks. And it's just, I don't know, it's just the default settings. I've got my own little conspiracy theory about why they have it like this, but it is what it is. Now, your background is probably bright white, which I don't know about you guys, but it hurts my eyes after looking at it for a couple of hours, which is why mine's gray. Now, what you want to be doing is you want to click on your candlesticks right here, double click that, and change your bodies and your borders. I would always recommend leaving your wicks white because it just makes it very nice and clean against the darker background. But again, it's your preference, whatever floats your boat. Now, what you actually want to change your candlestick colors to is literally anything else that is not green and red. Now, again, going off of the psychology and the mindset we are talking about earlier, other colors do have other emotions associated with them, but all of them are much less harmful or much less detrimental to you than green and red are. So, personally, one of my favorites to go with is right here, and it's just a very simple blue and black. Blue and black is it's just an elite combo. What can I say? There's a lot of traders that trade blue and black. I believe Swaggy C, Lamba Royale. I think Mamba has a version of blue and black, but it's a very, very popular color scheme. Blue is a very neutral color. Black is just black against a bit of a gray background. You can't really go wrong. Another alternative or another template for you guys, if you want to check it out, is right here, the OJ, and it's just orange and white. Once again, orange, very neutral color. White is just white against a gray background. Again, experiment with it, have fun, change your preferences around. The idea is that you want to enjoy looking at your chart. You want to have a color that you like looking at. If you hate the color yellow, don't have yellow as your candlesticks, obviously, because as a trader, you're probably going to spend a lot of time looking at a chart and actually analyzing and placing positions. And you want to enjoy looking at it. But again, just stay away from green and red because of the emotions associated. Now, I'm not necessarily saying that if you have green and red candlesticks, you're going to make psychological mistakes and you're going to start buying because it says green, and it's like, nah. Obviously, we're not like robots, like we can to an extent control it, but it's subconsciously going to make you more susceptible to making mistakes. So just trust me, take my advice, and just change your colors. Anyways, we're gonna wrap up this little video. I'm still getting used to the whole YouTube thing and the formatting, so bear with me while I try to figure out what I'm doing here. But I'm gonna come back with another video tomorrow. If you got any comments or anything, leave it in the not the subscribe on about. Yeah, I'm out.